In this video, we will introduce the features of our mud flaps and how to install them. You can easily release the mud flaps when you are going off-roading. When you release the mud flaps, we provided a mud flaps storage bag and hand screw storage bag for you to organize these items. Put the mud flaps back easily when you finish off-roading. Now, let's install the front mud flaps. Release the fender flares. Use the pry bar provided to remove the push pins. Install the screw gaskets clip on the showed area. Install the front wheel bracket with the screws and use the wrench provided or your own tool. Remove the original screws using the wrench provided or your own tool. Install another front wheel bracket and reinstall the original screws. Install the front fender flares back in place. Install adhesive soundproof foam stripe on the gap between side step and mud flaps. Use hand screws provided to tighten the mud flaps. Now, let's install the rear mud flaps. Release the fender flares. Remove the original screw on the showed area. Use the pry bar provided to remove the push pins. Install the screw gaskets clip on the showed area. Install the rear wheel bracket with the original screw and one additional screw provided. The last bracket will be installed using the existing place on the bottom of the car. Find the showed area and remove the original screws. Place the rear wheel bracket into the position and reinstall the original screws. Install the rear fender flares back in place. Install adhesive soundproof foam stripe on the gap between rear bumper and mud flaps. Use hand screws provided to tighten the mud flaps. the installation is finished. Thank you for watching.